All right, so anyway, I just received this, and it's called Abrasives. So let's unbox this bad boy. Okay, so it starts out, we've got this, let me get this open. This right here is how you connect it to your, drill. You just pop this out. So this has to screw onto this like this, okay? And then I would imagine this, let's go ahead and open one of these up, just so we can get an idea of how it would work. Would go on like this. Oh, it just screws on. See that? So you just set it on and then it just screws on. Then you hook this up to your drill. We'll use this one. So we'd open this up and then tighten her down on there. And then bam, Bob's your uncle. You're ready to go. Just like that. All right, let's take this off. All right. So I can show you. So that is how you're going to set it on your drill. Now it does come with this one here too. All right. So if depending on what kind of drill you got. So if you've got a drill like this, you follow me? Let me go ahead and let's unscrew this one. All right. Because this is for a regular drill. And this would be for my push and pull head on this drill here. You follow me? Let me get a good view of it. So this one, you got to push this out, and then you slide this in, and then it kind of locks it down. Here, let me get it in there. So I'm pushing it, right? Then I pull it, and it pops back in there like that. And then we can just go ahead and get her going. Get it out, you push it forward and pull it out. So see that little catch there? This is the kind of drill that uses that. All right, now the other one that we had in here, let me show you. This one. So you can see the difference on these two. They give you two of them. All right, so that would be for this type of drill here where you slide it in like that and then tighten it down. Forget which way I got to go here. There we go. Like that. Okay. All right, so you guys got that. You got the gist of that. So you've got two different types of setups. All right. Regular drill setup and then the other type of head on a drill. So let's set those there. And let's take a look and see what the heck else is in here. All right, so we've got a couple different doohickeys here. You know what I mean? Jelly beans. And it kind of tells you what it is. This is a sanding pad. Let's set that over there. They've got a bunch of these. And these are all different, coarseness is, some of them are rougher, some of them are less. But look at them all. I mean, you got just about everything you can think of, which I think is going to be great because I want to do, oh, look at this one. This is a super rough one. And then you got, these that you just, I think these go onto this Velcro, all right? So you're going to Velcro this on there, and this is a different setup. We'll have to look at that. And then you get, there's a lot of them in here. So we're ready to go. We can do some sanding. Let me put it that way with our drills. I'm going to put all this stuff back in here because we don't want to lose it because this is going to work out great for us. Let's go ahead and open this up, take a look at it. So anyway, this has got the Velcro on it. And let me see if let me get one of those Velcro ones out and down on the bottom. So these here, I think, are the Velcros. Let me see. I don't know if it is or not. Might be. Let's pull one out. I mean, we got to get them out of the packages, unfortunately. And boy, this plastic's strong. Come on. Yeah, there we go. All right, so you can see, look, see how this is? So this would go on here like this. So now you got a Velcro on there. And that's your, so you could sand with it. So they use like a Velcro situation with this. I'm just going to set that back. Oops, dropped one. Set that back in there. And here's the other part of it. Another Velcro thing. And it has a screw on it. And I think that these, all right, this is kind of weird because this must be for a smaller set up, but this would go like that for your Velcro deal, like that, right? I'm going to leave that on there. And this one is for a smaller drill head, so we'll keep that in there. And then this one is for the other, is for this right here, right? Here. So this one will fit on here, right? So you can use it, for both. So that's kind of cool. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll hang on to those, and we'll keep everything inside of here so we don't lose it. And then the next video I'll show you how to sand something. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this right here. Peace out.